Are you looking for the best fireplace remote control? In this video we will look at some of the best fireplace remote control. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Durablow Fireplace On-Off Remote Control Kit. The brand Durablow has several sophisticated electronic components in store to uplift your living style. The fireplace remote control kit from this brand has many features that make it a reliable choice. The kit gives absolute control over your gas fireplace with its LCD transmitter screen and efficient receiver. It can work efficiently with temperatures ranging from 45 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit. The transmitter features a thermostat that turns the fireplace on and off depending upon the room temperature. The kit features a timer function that lets you set up operational timing ranging from 15 minutes to 9 hours. Highly compatible with most prominent fireplace stove brands. Has an operating range of 20 feet and its RF signals have a 360 degrees non-directional range. Works effectively with AA and AAA lithium batteries. Number 2. Peterson Fireplace Remote Control. Upgrade your fireplace experience effortlessly with Peterson's Sky 1001, a remote control. This compact device offers convenient on and off control for both vented and vent-free log sets, compatible with APK10, APK11, and EPK1 ignition valves. Benefit from its all-battery operation, ensuring uninterrupted functionality even during power outages. Compact dimensions, 6D×3W×3H. Infrared technology for seamless control. All battery operation, no power source needed. Snap-on wall plate and easy installation with 18 wires. Multi-remote capability, pairs with 2 additional transmitters. Reliable compatibility with various log sets and ignition valves. 2-button on-off function with wireless transmission. Requires 4 AA batteries for the receiver. Number 3. Skytech SmartStat 3 Fireplace Remote Control. First on our list is the original Skytech remote control that is easily the highest rated out of the lot. The remote control can be easily switched and placed to install easily as well. The fireplace remote control comes with a wall holder, and also, the 4 AAA batteries that it requires to run are available in the packaging itself. Has SmartStat 2/3 units for toggling. Highly user-friendly in its design and usage. It can be controlled thermostatic based or even manually as well. The remote has a range of about 20 meters. Uses non-directional signals for range assimilation. Pre-programmed with codes for operation, and these can be accessed through the 8-bit digital display given on the remote control. Number 4. Ambient Technologies Fireplace Remote Control. Next on our list is a relatively simple yet highly user-friendly fireplace remote control thermostat setting device. The Ambient Thermostat Fireplace Remote Control is small and compact and is highly reviewed and rated. Simple featured remote control options such as power on, power off, automatic flame buttons, etc. It can also control the relative temperature of the flames in the fireplace as well. The remote can be connected to any of the standard types of millivolt gas valve systems. This remote has a total range of about 20 feet in any direction. Package includes a transmitter, a receiver box, a wall plate, a wall clip, attachment screws, 22 inches wires, Velcro, and of course, the 5 AAA batteries required, 3 for the remote and 2 for the receiver. Has a total of 16 security code settings pre-programmed into it. Has a tiny blue backlit 8-bit screen on it that will let you know of the toggle changes. Number 5. Hearth Products controls fireplace remote control. Hearth Products control Acumen Timer Fireplace Remote Control comes with a special and specific child control lock feature. It can also be lauded for its impeccable sync quality and also sleek design schema as well. The remote control features automatic on and automatic off along with a clear LCD display as well. There is a LCD screen that displays and shows you the temperature of the room and also information about all the changes in temperature. Other buttons on the remote include power, timer setup, up or down buttons, and automatic switches. There is a hidden child safety button that will lock the remote, thus making it child-friendly. It functions on 4 AAA batteries and 2 AAA batteries are required for the receiver. All of them are included in the package. The box also includes the receiver box, a heat shield, the remote control, connecting wires, and an instruction manual as well. Very simple to use and set up as well.